Welcome to this next video in the 15 successes of a marketing master. Please do remember this is a playlist, so if you haven't watched the ones beforehand, please go back and watch those. All the links will be down below so that you can watch the entire playlist in succession. And I really hope you're enjoying it. Please leave a comment down below if you are enjoying this course, and obviously if you're on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Success number 14, and this was the last success, but success 15 has kind of been added on because it's so important to the overall success of a business. So often I've realized that number 15 is kind of the clincher that enables the business to really explode in terms of growth. So what is number 14? Well, it is to tame the whispers of the forest and to inspire an army of mercenaries. That sounds a bit odd. What do we mean by that? Well, now we're at a certain size, we've got a certain momentum, we've got lots going on, we've got our messaging, we've got our funnels, we've got our sales or our representatives or our customer services. That could just be you, but there's still lots going on that's complex now. And you go to a business event and you know, people are saying what you do. And I'll give you a perfect example. I got very much involved in a tech project once. And I was involved in a big piece of software technology for a reasonably large company. It was a year contract. But what happened at the end of it is most of the people that I had interacted with during that time saw me as technology. Now, when a marketing project came along, they were like, "You're the tech guy, you do tech." So that was a classic example of me ruining my chances for a marketing project because I had not tamed the whispers of the forest. I had not said, well, actually, you know, I'm a marketing guy, but I just happen to be here because I can do tech as well. I kind of just went down the tech route. I didn't tame the whispers. So now everybody else who talks about Adam, oh, he's the tech guy. So you need to tame the whispers of the forest. What are people saying about you? How do you control that? How do you make sure it's accurate? How do you make sure that the people you know, your suppliers, your customers, all are on message? They all know exactly what you do and how you do it and why you do it differently and why you're special. So that's really, really important because actually most people only see the world through their little lens of what they're dealing with right there, that moment. And it's important for us to make sure that they are fully aware of the bigger picture. So then we have to inspire an army of mercenaries. I hate to break it to most people, but even with a mission, vision and values and a real passionate leader in the business, if you start employing people, they need money, which means they're a mercenary. They're turning up because you're paying them. Although they may believe in what you believe, they may be passionate about what you're passionate about, you have to assume they'll never be as passionate as you are. And therefore your mission is always to be trying to inspire them and build a culture. So this is all about building a culture internally. So controlling the messaging that people are talking to you by having a culture. Culture basically outwins strategy at all times. If people know the general rules of how to behave, it's far better than having a 50-page manual telling people what to do, what not to do in different situations. Get those ethics and morals and culture embedded in your organization from day one. And this now becomes really, really important because this is starting to impact, if you're hiring, this impacts your brand, what other people are saying about you, what that customer representative is saying about you. You're not there in the room, you are one step removed. And so it is crucial that you tame the whispers, you make sure everybody is on message, and you make sure that you are inspiring to the best of your abilities, your mercenaries, your team. and the next success is kind of even bigger than that. Thank you.